Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are attempting to do the trendy cleaning our closet video. However, everyone's making that I've seen so far, Gabby Show, Do It on a Dime, have done this video in one take. I'm doing it in multiple. So the difference between my video and everyone else's is that I'm turning this into like a 2, 3, 4 part series. You guys remember the Declutter series? So the reason I wanted to do it, besides the fact, trendy, we gotta keep up with the trends and trendy. No, in all seriousness, I have a lot of clothes. I shop a lot. I'm a shopping addict. I've confessed that. You know this. I've tried to, for the most part, to have a no spend this month, and it's kind of failed in my favor. Not terribly, but just a little bit. Just teeny tiny bit. So in honor of that, we are going to get rid of a lot of my shit. And as you guys know from my closet tour, this is my new closet in my apartment. I have a lot of stuff, and this is all going to be done in different videos. I'm not doing it all at once. I'm sorry, Murray. That's not how Sam's flying. Today, ignoring him, taking all of everything you see on hangers out, and we're gonna declutter it raw and real right here on my bedroom floor. So with that being said, let's just get started. And also possibly I have two this is awful. This is all dirty clothes. This was a pile that fell down of dirty clothes. These are both clean. There's a laundry basket right there, and then there's my basket right here full of clean clothes, full of David and I's clean clothes. But I don't know if I want to go through that because it's a mix of ours, so maybe that'll be another video.
White lines, but they're getting dark. Blurred lines, but they're getting clearer. Just tell the truth, it's not.
The other reason I'm choosing to do this in a video series and in parts is because I have a lot of stuff, and you know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna repeat it. I work a normal job. I work 40 hours a week, and the time that I get to relax, I usually procrastinate putting up videos. Sorry guys. I just like to be and watch videos and not give a shit. And not have a care in the world. I don't have time to just tear apart this whole closet today and put it all back together because I'm gonna be so exhausted that I think I'll just like lose my mind. So this is why we're doing it in parts, and I think this is gonna be somewhat of a bi-weekly series. I still have a lot of videos I want to post, so we're gonna see where April and May take us, but this pretty much my goal is to clear out a lot of stuff. As a lot of you guys are probably wondering, Sam, why don't you like angle a tripod? Because we're not that YouTuber, and this is the best angle. No, it's just more convenient for me to do that. So we're gonna start on this pile, and basically I'm gonna have two piles of buy and keep. This is how it's gonna go. So you're gonna watch me get into this. And I also want to mention, I believe the Marie Kondo way is like, if you don't have a feeling of love for it, like if it doesn't like spark joy, then you give it away. So I just bought this shirt, for example, and it sparks me some joy because it's a shirt that I can wear to work. That's my goal for this spring, to find more clothes to wear to work that I can wear in the spring and the summertime. This shirt, I also just bought it. I do like it. I think it's cute. And I got it on clearance from Charlotte Russe, and it was probably like a few dollars because it was $6.99. So we're keeping her. This, yes, I wear this. I wear this a lot in the summertime. This, yes, I always wear this. This, I love this. Boxy shirt that says pink on it. Kind of cute. Haven't worn it though, so I bid adieu. Next we have both of my little jumpsuit things that like flowy pants and like little tops, which I love these. These are amazing. Love them. I almost bought one from Target last night, but then I put it back because I was like, I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'm keeping these because they're very comfortable for me to wear. They hide everything and they just look nice. You look put together and you're comfortable. Like I have one of these, which I haven't worn in years, to be honest. And it has a hood on it, so I can't really wear it to work. Actually, maybe I could if I flipped it. I don't know. I used to love this so much. But I think we're gonna say goodbye. Halloween t-shirt that my mom bought for me. So we're gonna just keep it for now. Oh, hello. I just recently bought this. So y'all can't come for me. I bought a lot of clothes on clearance, and stuff at Target, a lot of like their basic crop stuff. So here's just like a cropped black shirt. This little shirt from Charlotte Russe, R.I.P. This is Heartbreak Highway, which is just really cute, and I did wear this recently, so we're gonna keep her. This is another, did I wear this? I did wear this. Actually, I think one of my coworkers has this too. Yeah, this is just another, has this cute little, I don't even know, like the 90s little ruffling at the bottom of it. Little gray crop top. I have a lot of these, I'm not gonna lie, a lot of black t-shirt crop tops because they're like one of my favorite things to wear right now. Green one I got H&M last summer. I remember when I went with Amy and she was just like, every store we've gone into, you bought something. I'm like, I know I have a problem. This is this is reality. So yeah. And then I have this one from Forever 21 that I've worn a few times that I do like. This one, I'm very sad because I love this, and I love that it says don't underestimate me. You guys remember probably a haul where I bought this. Haven't worn it. I just can't look at it anymore. I don't have an occasion to wear it to. I don't have anything to wear it with besides black. And am I really gonna wear that to go run errands? Am I really, like, maybe I'll wear that for a video or an Instagram picture. That's about it. So, bye-bye. And then this one I also got around my birthday. This was from Forever 21, a little crop sweater, which I just think is so cute. It was so cute with all the holes in it. It's distressed, and you notice I go all the way to the bottom of the screen, so I'm like, I haven't worn it since my birthday, though. We'll keep you for now. And I have some shirts here. This one is from, I forgot who that YouTuber is, but I saw her merch on Fanjoy and I really like it. I don't know who she is, but I like it. It says The Makeup Life, so I'm gonna keep that. The shirt underneath though, it says LA. I don't even think I wore it. Maybe I did once. LA, Los Angeles. I think I got it on sale, to be honest. And I just was like, oh, I need a buffer. It's awful to say, but I needed a buffer product. Hiiiieeee, so bye.
Say you're talking to me honestly, but you're lying to me constantly. All the bullshit, I don't need it.
Now let's see the aftermath. This is, whoa, I'm gonna die in all this pile right here. This is what we have left over, keeping. This is the pile I'll get rid of, which I think I've done very well. I didn't think I was gonna do that good. Please don't mind David's clothes over there on the floor. Like, I'm highly impressed, and like, take a look at this pile. Again, this is dirty clothes. Like, I know I'm disgusting, it's fine. Oh, and there's more clothes there I'm keeping. Look at this pile of hangers. What? Like, who am I? Now I just have to try and maintain this, and the goal now is going to be to put all my crop tops on hangers. So I'm going to do some reorganizing, and I'll show you guys what everything looks like when it's done. Guys, so I just got done putting in all of the clothes that I've now keeping, and look, here's the thing. I had hangers going out to here because, disclaimer, I'm probably putting in the beginning of the video anyways, this is not all of my clothes. I have clean clothes that need to be hung up. I have clothes that are dirty that I still need to go through. But for now, guys, like, look how many hangers. I had probably about this much hangers going this way left over from my dirty clothes. This is how many hangers I have now. What the fuck? That's insane. That's incredible. Basically, my closet setup's kind of the same as last time. Just have my dad's stuff. I have all of my onesies here. David's two dress shirts in here. Sweaters, shirts, all my lounging shirts, all my lounging clothes I feel like are gonna go here. And then I have my jacket, which is just randomly here. Some clothes that have tags on them and some things I just bought. So those are going there. Then this is all my dresses and like nice-ish clothes that I could wear for like occasions, which is very limited. But here's all the hangers, my belt, and then this is all of like my work clothes, all separated by sweaters, long sleeves, t-shirts, and like nicer shirts that I wear to work sometimes. And then over here, which this is, I think, going to be my crop top side of the closet, because these are all like crop shirts I have separated by bodysuits, tank tops, t-shirts, long sleeves, sweaters, and now sweatshirts. So this is what I'm looking at right now as far as like stuff hung up in my closet. If I do declutter anything else, I will probably put it in an Instagram TV video on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that. This is what I'm looking at right now, and it's just looking at this hangers right here is just fucking insane. So let me know down below, what do you guys think I should go through next? Should it be all of these drawers? Like, yes, I know I've got crap everywhere, I know. Should it be all the sweatshirts? Should it be everything under here in these drawers, which is just awful? Let me know what you guys think, because we will dive right in and get into it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you in some way. Shout out to Marie Kondo for coming up with this technique that honestly I feel like works like magic, because I don't think I've ever gotten rid of so much clothes in a decluttering video before. So shout out to her. This is my most successful decluttering video I've ever had. Love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoy, and be sure to hit the bell notification down below thing, whatever the hell it is, so you know when I post a new video, because I don't even fucking know anymore. So yeah, but I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye! And we're gonna do these nails today.
Say it